vlog always seems to start when we're already all ready.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest.
No, but right now it's our third day here in Chicago.
Day 2 of suenos.
Day 2 of sueños. Well, casi. Hopefully day 2, because right now it's raining very bad. Have they even mentioned that the doors are open?
No. They said not to go. They said not to go to the gates yet until they let us know. But we're trying to be first in line.
We're just gonna be there vestidas y alborotadas. Dios quiera que no. But yeah, those are the vibes right now.
We're gonna go get some food right now.
Oh, that's what we're gonna go do?
Yeah. Go to Chick-fil-A.
We were gonna go to Chick-fil-A, but it's Sunday today. So that means it's not open. So we're gonna see what we're gonna eat. And then plus I forgot my charger, so we have to go back.
We can also eat in this
Place.
in the restaurant right
Your plans? We got ponchos now, cause it's a vibe. Everyone got their ponchos, so it's gonna be a whole sueños fest with yellow little human figures.
I got a poncho. You don't know where it's at.
You don't know where it's at. Hold on, let me tie in this real quick.
Well, I'm not trying to.
Oh,
Yeah, doing that shit too.
you look like a co-head right now. Look. We made it to the front, but I don't want to let Valerie pass.
At least they stay together and we stay together.
Dalia or Dalia? Delilah? We were trying to bribe them to like let them pass,
And they don't let us.
but they don't care. They stand on business for real. They want to be like in the front and shit like that, and like no va a funcionar el bribe.
El cuerpo lo sabe.
So the night ended like this, then like this. That retake it. Fucking my underwear. All I understood was underwear. Our night is ending here because they canceled Pencil
Fucking bitches.
No, but Valerie, she saw Gabito, yo soy Gabito, we saw Maluma. Who else? Joel y Randy.
Joe, Randy, se acabó la cuarentena.
Those were the vibes for that. It was like halfway through Maluma, and then they just wanted to fucking cut it out. He was like, I'm not ending the show. They're making me end it or something like that. That whole little
group, the girls are fucking bitches.
Oh my god, como me cayeron gordas, se creían la cosa.
And you know what was funny though? Because we were taller than them. That's how they were really mad.
That's
we were like this tall. All three of the girls. Even the guys. The guys were
whenever I was in the front, I was like, I'm gonna make them hella mad because I'm seeing that the girl was literally to my shoulders, and I was going like, turn back, and then I was just like get to where her face was. Like that. Oh, we better. Oh, that went now. We're about to eat. We got Shake Shack. I guess this is like the In-N-Out. I'm not even gonna say that honestly.
In-N-Out's too good.
In-N-Out's too good. We're gonna review it. We're gonna see how the vibes are. So much food.
The next day.
Here, every time I get reminded, where's your vlog? Where's your vlog? I go to the pier. You know what? I gotta get into the vibes of vlogging because then there's gonna be a half-ass video. Welcome to our vlog, day 3. We all got ready. This is my OTD for today. Your OTD for today? Your OTD for today? And Valerie's. We fit into the aesthetic of the hotel now because it's very bougie-like. Yeah? We are living. Yeah. We are in it. Our hotel is like in the center of Chicago. Like the center. Watch. gonna try some popcorn from Garrett Popcorn Shop. The guy at the hotel told us that this is one of the things that Chicago is known for, según él, or like it's very good. Maybe it was a little something that he likes from this place, but I mean, it was a vibe either way because we like popcorn. We're gonna try it out. Hold on. Let me get it out. They got a cute little bag. This one is called the Garrett. Set.
The caramel one's good. The butter one is good.
The cheese one, how is it?
Naturally. It tastes like Cheetos.
The caramel and the cheese together?
Butter.
Try it. Try it together.
I don't like cheese.
Guys, try it together. It's bomb. You get a little bit of the cheese, you get a little bit of the caramel. And also we just got some Chicago style hot dogs and we're gonna try them. Hello. Ooh, fire.
Cotija.
Is it like your hot dog?
Let it again, bro? Again. She did the same thing with the popcorn.
It is set. Cheers. And I had said add veggies. Are these the veggies?
Are those veggies?
Are these veggies?
37. Now Chicago's going to be.
The boat. No, we came on a little boat ride, whatever the frick tour, and it is freezing. My cousin came in clutch and she they sell blankets here. That's a smart move. Like they're in front of us. Boy, a girl's fat. No grabé mucho durante el día, pero es que creo que me estaba enfocando mucho en lo frío que estaba haciendo. A la verga.
And it looks pretty right now.
Yeah, and it looks pretty. So right now we came to eat to, what is it called? Giordano's. And I got myself like a little pasta. She's waiting on her spaghetti. And she's waiting on her food too. The waiter is super nice. I'm gonna tell him to say what's up to the vlog. Maybe.
The next day.
No nos fijamos en el clima y andamos aquí todas. Today I haven't really vlogged, but I want to show you guys a little view that we have. Look at the ocean. It's Lake Michigan. Before we leave it, this hotel was amazing. So pretty, such an aesthetic vibe to it. If you guys come to Chicago, I feel like it's so worth it.